Aling type of content ang sabi ng data research na ito na magva-viral daw this 2024? Yan ang lumabas mula sa isang research from these websites. And they examined sa mahigit 6 million pieces of content para ma-identify kung alin ang working at hindi na. So, if you're planning your content calendar, this data that I'm about to give you will change your massive online presence. Isa sa mga preferred pa rin i-consume ng mga audience ay ang mga short-form videos with at least 90 seconds na. Sinundan yan ng long-form content with at least 3 minutes long. At huli na ang mga interviews and podcasts. This shows how people love funny memes and videos. Kaya nilalagay ko din siya in between sa mga vlogs ko. Merong nagsumbong mismo kay Lenka.
Bakit mo sinubog?
Sino ba ang nag-report kay Syra? Pampakalma to sa anak ko. Sabihin nyo nga kung sino nag-report kay Syra.
Pero kung kagaya mo ako na gumagamit din ng text-based content, better focus on creating videos that demonstrates like yung mga how-tos, listicles, and current events. Kasi sila yung may mga mataas na engagement. And yes, based on my last numbers sa data ko, mas nagre-release kami ng mga videos na may countdown, gaya na lang ng most series ko, wherein we discuss top 10 most expensive random things in the world. At kung tanong mo rin kung anong content ka dapat mag-post, based on multiple sources, lumalabas na ang Facebook pa rin ang una sa list. Instagram, then TikTok. Pero, ano ba ang common in all of these platforms? Is your soulful messaging. That means focusing on simplifying things na highly inclusive and heartfelt. Now, I hope this video helped you in becoming more viral this 2024. Now, this is Real Talk Darbs, your content creation expert from House Creatives, saying, win with us or watch us win.